For employers, unions, and public sector entities considering whether and how to provide health coverage to their workers, they do have options. Unfortunately, the two most obvious options are not ideal. Organizations can purchase an insurance policy from a health insurance carrier, but costs keep going up and plan coverage options are limited. Or they could drop coverage altogether and let their workers fend for themselves to secure coverage through the public health insurance exchanges, which continue to be questionable in terms of quality and affordability. And don't forget about the big government fines imposed on organizations with more than 50 workers that choose not to provide health coverage. But there is another, lesser-known option that can be an excellent solution for many organizations: self-insurance, also known as self-funding. Organizations that sponsor self-insured group health plans pay the healthcare-related expenses of their workers as they are incurred, either directly as an operating expense or through a pre-funded trust. This approach allows for greater cost containment opportunities while giving the organizations the ability to customize plan coverage features to best meet the needs of their specific workforce. Plan sponsors typically purchase what is known as stop-loss insurance to provide a financial backstop should they incur large healthcare claims. So, since this healthcare coverage solution is not widely publicized, does that mean it is not mainstream? Not at all. In fact, it is estimated that more than 100 million Americans receive their health benefits through self-insured health plans, and many don't even know it. Self-insured health plans are sponsored by thousands of companies of all types and sizes, as well as many labor unions and public sector entities. For organizations that fit certain criteria, self-funding is the solution for their coverage needs. The best candidates for self-insurance are organizations with strong balance sheets and stable workforces, and, perhaps most importantly, have executive leadership teams who want to take a proactive approach to managing their healthcare costs. And if your organization fits this description, you don't have to go it alone. The self-insurance marketplace is filled with innovative solution providers who work with organizations every day to set up self-insured group health plans and provide related operational management and financial risk transfer services. There is much more to the self-insurance story.